Welcome to Inspire, your go-to app for rewards and discounts exclusively for Classera users. To start enjoying Inspire, simply download the app from your phone's app store. Follow these easy steps. Log in using your Classera username and password. Explore our Inspiring Partners page filled with exclusive offers and discounts. Choose from a wide range of categories like restaurants, entertainment, and more. For all Classera users, add your favorite partner to your favorites page by clicking on this icon. Enjoy hundreds of offers and discounts in the rewards section. To redeem your Inspire offers, follow the steps in the How to Use section. You can either scan the QR code, use the provided code with your Inspire partner, or use the online promo code on websites. The offers are based on your Classera points and your level. For more inquiries, contact our support team or visit our social media pages. Enjoy an inspiring experience with Inspire.